Hey guys, it's me Tanuj back with another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to bypass any lock screen on your Android phone. And yes, this is no data loss method, so don't worry, your data won't be wiped. So now guys, without any further ado, let's get. So the prerequisites are that the bootloader should be unlocked and the twerp recovery should be installed, which is the main priority in this video to bypass any security. First step is to go into your twerp recovery through, and there are two ways, as I told earlier, that you can go manually and automatically. So in this case I am going automatically because the option is available, and as I would reach into twerp recovery, then I will tell you what to do further ahead. So after reaching into your twerp recovery section, go into this advanced option, then go into this file manager option, and after going to the file manager, click on this folder called data. So after clicking on the data, you have to find a folder, another folder called or else known as system, as you can see here. So I will click on it again, and I would now search a file named as logsettings.db. So as you can see here, click here and just click option which is found there, which is delete. So after clicking on it, swipe to confirm. So now it has been successfully deleted, and now the lock screen has completely been disabled from your Android phone. So after going to the reboot, go into system 1 and go into do not install. So after coming in the system, I will tell you what to do. So now after successfully rebooting my phone, I have again came into my home screen. So now as I would swipe up, as you can see, lock screen has been disabled, and if you want to activate it again, you can do it. So this method is really good and your parents can't even catch you up, but yes, as I told you earlier, you need a twerp recovery. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on that thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of it, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm Tanuj, signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Till then, peace.